fucking
What do you mean it's a
suck.
single bed? This is what I fucking sleep. At the foot of the bed, the last 3 feet. Where am I supposed to sleep over here?
I love it too, bro. I can.
Go to the fucking queen size bed in the fucking thing,
Go to
man.
fucking bed then.
What?
Hey, Sal.
I called this
Sal.
bed. That was your fucking little bed that you were
Sal,
sleeping
Sal,
on.
Sal, look, are you afraid of me?
But am I fucking wrong? Is this guy fucking retard?
Okay, you know what? He wants to get me back. He wants to get me back. Get me back, bro. I'm right here. Just go put cheese in my face. Put cheese in my face. I'm ready for it. You know, I know you're horny like that. I know you're fucking horny like that. You want to put cheese in my face and you want to
Get
rub
out,
it.
Sal. Just get the fuck out of those 3 feet, man.
Sal, get out, bro. Okay, so then go in the queen size bed if you're not horny and you want to fuck me in the face, bro. Like, you want to put cheese on my face, you want to put whipped cream, you want to put anything you want, bro, because you want to get dirty with me, bro. Because you love me, bro. So go in the queen size bed, bro. If you can't stand me, then go in the queen size bed. Go in the queen size bed if I'm fucked. You want to fuck me, I'm not fucked. You want to fuck me.